don't know. How are we going to start?
Hi, I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
And I'm behind the camera today, and we just wanted to bring you a video about a workstation idea for your RV. And a lot of people want a workstation. They also want to be able to have dinner.
True.
And this is kind of a good combination. So Dawn Marie's going to kind of show us what we have built into our 1990 Country Coach. This is a custom piece. And there's a desk right here.
This opens here. Shelves, and they're removable, so you can put them where you want. It's got the pegs on the sides here. Move the shelves to the height you want.
That's your side of the desk. And we're going to show you a before picture. I'll put that up now. This was actually a dinette. Just a normal dinette that was in any other coach.
We just put this light in here. This is just emergency light.
Right.
Just for extra in the middle of the night. It's got 3 drawers here. Nice big deep drawer here. Then it's got 2 more this size here.
All right.
And then let's get this out of the way.
There's a center desk drawer too.
Then we have the doodad drawer.
Yeah, the doodads.
Doodad, pencils, pens, you know. Then anywho, we pull these things out here on each side.
Yeah, those come all the way out. Yeah.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
Yep, it's a desk.
And
oh, it's a table.
Look at that.
And so you actually have a table there. You can sit a chair on each side. You can put a chair on each
side. You can put a chair over here.
Right, you can have 3 there. Pretty easy.
And if you need extra space working in the kitchen while you're preparing your food or whatever,
right,
open it up.
Gives you a nice area to work on. That's got a nice top on it. Nice finish to it to clean up. You can cleans up spills real easy.
I love this thing. This is like the best thing ever.
Well, you know, in all honesty, sadly enough, how many times do we end up eating dinner either outside the coach,
right,
or sitting in the lazy boy or on the couch, you know? But this is just a nice way if you want to play a game or have some fun, and then it literally folds up and goes away.
And extra workspace as well.
Right, you got a ton of space there for your
counter space.
But you got a ton of space for your laptop and your computer. You can do all your video editing. We got plugs right up above.
And that's Rosie's bed down there, so no worries there.
Yep, down underneath, you notice that.
We're not that weird.
No, we pull that out when we use it for a desk, but she sleeps there at night. She likes that little spot. Makes her feel comfy. And as a little bonus, we'll bring you up towards the front of the coach here. This is also a neat little idea that you could do really with any desk. Dawn will kind of show you what they made here.
First of all, these open here.
Yeah, it's kind of a neat bus. It was made in 1990. It's a concept by Country Coach.
Got a lock.
And they actually built in a
got a filing cabinet.
So
you're
pretty cool. So with that right there, and your workstation right there, it kind of makes for this side of the bus an office. It's like office during the day and party at night. No.
This opens up here. Oh, wait, there's more.
Yeah, and show them the bottom of this. This would be an easy thing to make. If you have some skills, it's just a couple of ledges. Show the side there. Yep, real easy. And it just slides in the drawer. You could do this with any desk, or any drawer for that matter. And it extends
extends it out a little bit.
Right, so you could eat there. Or
put your coffee on there if you're sitting in the chair over here.
Yeah, we got our chair spun backwards. That's normally in the driving position. That's the passenger. Co-pilot. But yeah, it makes that a bigger
just brings
area.
That a little larger.
Yep, so pretty cool. We thought we'd share that with you. We want to send out a personal message to everybody out there. I hope you're being safe.
Yes.
Practicing social distancing. And hope you have found a place to hunker down.
Right.
We are so fortunate. Sure. We're so fortunate to have this home base and have a place that we could park. We really have changed our mind on selling this. We were going to sell it. It's just a little tiny house on a couple acres. But after this has happened...
I think we're going to keep it.
Yeah, I think it's the best thing to do. So...
But we're praying for everybody out there.
Absolutely. I know everybody's plans have changed and life's on hold kind of right now. But, boy, we sure hope things return back to normal, and we can all make that happen by staying safe.
Right.
So, we love y'all. We'll talk to you next time, and hope you enjoyed the video. And we are Adventures in Xanadu. I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
We'll talk to you later.
Toodaloo.